So what's up foodies and welcome to Art of Cooking Recipes. Today's recipe is Haryali chicken curry. This recipe is packed with minerals, vitamins and fiber as it has a lot of leafy greens like coriander, spinach and mint leaves. I would suggest you to keep all the ingredients ready before you start the cooking process. I would also suggest you to watch my video to the end as I may include some key points and steps towards the end of the video. Let me know how you like this new addition to the video in the comments below. So without further ado, let's get started. For Haryali chicken you'll need 1 kg chicken, 1 large bunch or 2 medium-sized bunches of spinach leaves, 1 medium-sized bunch of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves, 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 2 tomatoes whole, 3 to 4 green chilies whole, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 cup of curd and finally 4 tablespoons of cream. Now in a pan, add water, heat this up on high flame. Now once the water is hot, add the tomatoes along with green chilies. Now add in the onions. Now one by one start adding the green leaves, starting off with spinach. Then coriander. And finally mint leaves. Once this is done, cover and cook it for 5 minutes on high flame. Now as you can see, this has cooked for 5 minutes. Remove and strain this before grinding it into a fine paste. Now for the final procedure, add in 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Then add in the ginger and garlic paste and cook for a minute on medium flame. Once the raw smell goes away, add in the green paste. Now stir this well. Now add in coriander powder and pepper powder. Stir this well until combined. Now cover this and cook on low to medium flame for 10 minutes or until the oil separates. As you can see, the color has changed and some of the oil has separated. Now add in the curd and mix well. Then add in salt to taste, along with garam masala. Now add in the chicken pieces. And mix this well. Cover and cook this for 25 minutes on low to medium flame. After 25 minutes, the chicken is well cooked. Finally, add in the cream and mix this well. So your Haryali chicken curry is now ready to serve. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.